Hello everyone, welcome to the video tutorial of Prestashop Marketplace Product Size Chart. In this tutorial, I will show you how the sellers can create size chart and assign them to their products. Let's see how this extension works, and for that I am taking you to the admin's back office. Let's start with module configuration. From here, admin can enable or disable the automatic approval of size charts created by the sellers. If this field has been enabled, then the size chart will be displayed in a pop-up, and if disabled, then the size chart will be displayed on the product detail page. From here, admin can choose whether the attribute values will be displayed in rows or columns in a size chart. After configuring the module settings, click here to save. Now let's have a look at the seller's end. After the installation of the module, a new tab, Product Size Chart, is added to the seller's account, from where he can create and manage the size charts. Click here to add a new size chart. Enter the size chart title here. This field is for the seller's reference purpose only, so that he can identify the size chart while assigning them to the products. Enter the description here. The content added by the seller in this field will be displayed in the size chart. Seller can upload the reference size guide image by clicking here. From here, admin can decide whether he wants to create the size chart using the inbuilt attributes or the custom attributes. If selected custom attributes, then a seller can add the attributes as per his requirement here. Suppose admin has selected the predefined attributes. Select the attributes for creating the size chart from here. After selecting the attribute values, fill the values to be displayed in a size chart. Seller can add a new row by clicking here. After filling the values, click here to save. If admin has enabled the automatic approval of size chart from the back office, then the size chart will be shown as approved. A seller can edit or delete the size chart from here. Now let's create a size chart using the custom attributes. Enter the attributes separated by comma here. After entering the attributes, click here. Now fill the values for the added attributes. After filling the values, click here to save. After adding the size chart, the seller can now assign the size chart to the products. Post installation, a new tab, size chart, gets available on the update product page, from where a seller can assign a size chart to the product. Unable to apply the size chart on the product from here. From here, a seller can select the size chart he wants to apply to the product. On selecting the size chart, a view of size chart gets displayed here. Now click here to save. After applying the size chart to a product, a new button, size chart, gets available on the product page. If admin has enabled the display of size chart as a pop-up, then a pop-up will appear on the screen on clicking the size chart button. And if admin has disabled this field, then the size chart will be displayed on the product detail page. This is the row-wise display of attribute values in a size chart. And this is the column-wise display of attribute values. A seller can also choose to apply a size chart on multiple products at once. A seller can simply select the products on which he wants to apply the size chart and then click on the Assign Size Chart button. On clicking the Assign Size Chart button, a pop-up appears on the screen from where a seller can select the size chart that he wants to apply to the product. After selecting the size chart, click here to submit. Admin can view all the size charts created by the sellers under Manage Size Chart tab. Admin can approve, disapprove, edit or delete the size chart. Also, admin can add a size chart on the seller's behalf by clicking here. Admin can select the seller for whom he wants to add the size chart from here.